Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to talk about creating a motion blur for a car to make it look like it's driving fast or in motion. So if you have a picture of a parked car and you want to actually make it look like it's moving for purposes and putting together some marketing material or something, whatever the reason might be, you can actually do that by using this blur tool. I'll walk through the steps. It's fairly easy. To create a very detailed blur does take, as with most things in Photoshop, takes some skill and some practice, but I'll cover the basics. So here I have an image of my car. What I'm going to first do is crop around it. And actually I've created a rough crop. If you see, I'll hide the background. You can see I made a very rough crop of the car itself. Then with that selection made, and I'm actually on that layer, I'm going to go into Filter and then go down to Blur and select Motion Blur. And as you can see, it's previewing in the background. You can see that it already looks like when you take a picture of a car and the lens isn't fast enough, so it blurs. It has this motion blur. So you can adjust it according to this lever at the bottom for distance. You can make it look like it's going really fast, not so fast. It's up to you. Let's make this look like it's going really fast. We'll really blur it out. Select OK. And now you do have the original copy in the background. That's basically how to make a car look like it's moving in Adobe Photoshop using the motion blur tool. My name is Justin Conway, and I hope that helped.